big boy in there.
Where now, Kemar?
How you for this party with be a little picnic? Eh? What kind of step? What kind of style? Squad, come on, squad.
Officer Smiley can't do that.
What means I can't do that?
I feel me birthday.
How old are you? How old are you?
I feel me
How
pa.
old are you?
You know already.
Me no business. How old are you?
Me at 11, 12.
And you're the adult in that place and you have the picnic party around you. What kind of style that?
No, what if we are over?
Watch. Hey, stop it nice. You, big boy, shut up your mouth. This party done, you know. Come here, son. Run.
Go.
Squad, stay some so forward. Run some say man outside you.
I'm gonna lock you up, big boy. Now go around there.
Run some fast.
Big boy, fool.
Squad, everything good? Make sure there's nothing going on to have a party, you know. No drink. As a matter of fact, drinking up one, that's up.
I'm not drinking a drinks.
I'm gonna lock up. Hey, somebody, hey, don't let them move.
A drinks.
Where back there?
A drinks.
Don't let them move. Stand by the door, squad. Squad, come by the door, squad. What else, squad? Right here, squad.
Squad, where you do squad?
Don't let them move.
Squad.
And action.
Let me tell you this. See? This if you keep a party like this, that is a place, you have to have a permit. You know that? You have money? May I lock up everybody in this place, sir. Everybody I go to prison. What can they do? Eh? Can they know about this?
Mommy knows about the party.
Mommy know about this party. So how she know their party if she know about it?
She gone buy ice.
Gone by ice? You have money? Eh? Come here and lock up everybody in this place, sir. Right away.
I have no money for myself. I'm
You know-
mother money me have.
Your mother money?
Yes.
Where money then? You have money, man. Give me everything.
My mother money.
Give me everything in a...
My mother money.
I want it. You want to go jail? You want to go prison tonight? You see that bed there? You coulda. Don't go jail. You will. You get that? Give it to me right now. Put it on my hand. Every single... Give me this. I joke, you joke. That's my laugh.
Money and ready.
Give it to me. Put it on my hand right now. Yeah, I took the officer. Well, I can't tell you this. My name is Officer Smiley. This lets me smile. PD to Christmas. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus come to. Here we are going. Different mood now. You see, because I realize that really and truly you're doing nothing wrong. Just having fun. It's a birthday, right?
My birthday is January 4.
Oh, January 4 your birthday, say a liar. But anyway, have 2 birthdays, celebrate 2 birthdays. Come in, we have a party. Because we understand this, because the whole system set up. We come fast. Enjoy yourself right now.